Hidden fact: a human sneeze can travel over 100 miles per hour, scattering secrets of the room like dropped confetti. The clip follows a night watchman who discovers a mirror that reflects futures instead of faces. Every reflection reveals a choice not yet made, nudging him toward doors that never existed in daylight. When the mirrors fracture, whispers from unseen rooms seep into the corridor, rewriting the past with eerie precision. The twist lingers as viewers wonder who really owns the corridor and who is haunting whom in the final frame.